Hello everyone, this is our CNC threading machine for aluminum cylinder, like bracing cylinder or industrial cylinder. This machine is suitable for cylinder diameter range from 111 to 203 mm. The length of cylinder can be from 200 to 750. The working process of this threading machine is from hole drilling, this one, and the outer circle for the surface, and boring the hole and threading. The suitable thread standard is from 27.8, 19.2, 25E, and 3/4. And our control system, our CNC system brand can be China, KND, Farnock, or Siemens.